Thank you for clicking our video. You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
We are pleased to show you the 2018 Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, rear window defroster, compass, security system. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
Nine convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.